So here's the tin for the Bombshell DC girls.
If you look at the back here, you can see the 12 figures. 2 of them are mysteries, and from the shape of it, you can probably tell that it's probably Harley and Wonder Woman.
Yeah, definitely it's Harley on the left. Yeah. And if you can see here on the right, yeah, silhouette similar to Wonder Woman over there. Now the tin is a very high quality collectible compared to finding other blind boxes. It's just literally a box. This one here is actually a nice tin. I would actually like collect them, put them aside. What do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely nice because it will protect the figure inside for sure.
Now
You don't worry about it getting wet either.
That's right, yeah. Like it says, you collect all 12. And then we have all the figurines here. We have for Wonder Woman, Catwoman, Harley Quinn, Poison Ivy, Black Canary, which is my favorite, Batwoman, the female Flash, Katana, Hawkgirl, and Mera. Now Mera's Aquaman's wife. Hawkgirl, you can tell. Katana, if you know the Suicide Squad. Female Flash, and so on. And this one's made in China.
I really like the vintage style.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah, very unique.
It's definitely something no one actually collect. So I guess we'll start the unboxing. Which one do you want, the left or the right?
I'll just take the left.
You want to take the left?
Alright, let's start with the left.
Okay, so you want to open it
Since
first?
it's easier to open, as you can see. The other one's not quite.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, let's do this. Oh, excited. So excited. Okay. Alright, ready guys? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open lid.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
We have Batwoman.
Interesting.
Batwoman with literally a bat.
Nice.
Oh. See, the great thing about these blind boxes for the Bombshells, the paint job is done really well. Let's give it an open. Alright, so now she has on top of her hat, you see the Batman logo. Kind of reminds me of the Batman Beyond symbol, morally. Oh, it's a nice design. So if you don't know who Batwoman is, depends on which version that you watch or read. Cassidy Kane is the Batwoman.
Very nice detail. The painting is really nice too.
I know.
Yeah.
And I like the designs with the big eyes and they put the shadowing underneath. And then we'll give you a scale sizing later. A good detailed look at that. Okay. Put that right here. And let's go for the second one. Okay. Oh, yeah, it was like... There we go. And up goes the tin, and we have... Oh, we got Poison Ivy.
Oh, thank God they're different.
Let's give it a look. Okay. Poison Ivy is a DC villain, but it's also morally like a anti-hero sometimes in the series.
I love her outfit.
Now she has bright red hair, flower on the side. Once again, the paint job and these are very done, like well done. You see that her vines are wrapped around here too.
It's like Ariel hair. Look at that. Oh my God. No one has perfect hair like Ariel.
Okay. Let's put this side by side each other. And there we go. We have the first two sets that we have here. Okay, so what do you think? What do you think about the collection?
This is probably a new obsession. more money spent.
More money spent, I totally agree. The only thing that I wish had more of a base. The base is very flimsy, I feel. Or very thin. Not really flimsy, actually. It's pretty strong. But if the base was a little bit more thicker, I would actually like it a bit more. But once again, paint job and designs, and yeah, it's something I actually do enjoy. Yeah. And I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is an unboxing with HoneyDew
And Mango. If you enjoyed the video, please like. For more videos like this or more from us, please subscribe.
If you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.